So the ones that work the best are if you're working with TikTok influencers, is moving those TikTok influencers using their content for TikTok ads, right? So whitelisting their profiles and using that for your ads will always beat out anyone. And it's the same on Facebook. It's this little known secret that I just don't really see anyone using. I see big brands using it. HelloFresh does an awesome job of this, but using their influencers' profiles to advertise. Right? You can run your ads through your influencers' profiles. We call it here at Mindful Marketing, we call it SPA marketing, social proof acceleration. Whitelisting is another version of that. We're trying to get away from the whitewashing everything, so we wanted to create a different term for it. But that's really, really impactful.
What's the setup like for that? When someone wants to team up with an influencer to run ads from their account, I feel like the general person is going to think, well, do I have to teach them how to run ads, or like, how do we do this? Are they going to set it up, or how do I get access to their account to run that? Or can you tell us just a little bit about the technical side of setting that up?
I'll tell it to you on Facebook. On TikTok, you have to have an actual account rep to be able to do that. So you cannot do that yourself on TikTok, unfortunately. Okay. But on Facebook, and Instagram, it's very simple. You just get access to their page. You just request access. If you just want to use their page, it's super simple. If you want to get use of their audiences, that's a little bit harder. Then you actually have to get permission from their business manager. Then you have to share those audiences over to your business manager, and then you can use those audiences. So it's really great. I mean, I recommend trying to get use of those audiences, because say they have 300,000 followers. You can target those 300,000 followers with your page or their page. So there's some really cool stuff that you can do in there as well.
Got it. Yeah, especially, so you might get their pixel data, or not their pixel data, because it's coming from their Instagram platform, right? You're just creating like a custom audience of people who have engaged with their page.
That's right. Yes. So you can get their engagement audiences. Yeah.
And then you can layer that with interests. Like they have to be someone who recently engaged with them and interested in this and this.
Totally. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, cool. Fun stuff. I've seen HelloFresh do that with a lot of like the people who are on The Bachelor, especially, is like who they always get to be their influencers. But
they do a great job of it.
Actual sponsored.
Yeah.
They're all like lining up. It's like a thing like, oh yeah, if you're on The Bachelor, that's the next step is HelloFresh. But funny. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, seeing the sponsored ads coming from them.
Yeah.